Alie, o di, Sapati, Majesty, trust in my Lord. Puipuifatu, manatu ilunga, Ve'alualetama, Faafeiloaiga. Hafiomai, Yesu lefa, hola. Hafiomai, Sapati, ya yuwalo tu.
Key scripture can be found in Job 1:22. I've read summarize it. It says, sorrow is turned into joy. We live long enough on this earth to realize that some of our past experiences or other miscreants, things we've been through in our lives, and at the end of that, God has shown us His joy. Ellen G. White says in Letter 15, 1899, there is no true joy except Christ's joy. All the supposed happiness a man fancies can gain without Christ will prove to be ashes. Nehemiah 8:10 says, the joy of the Lord is strength. Joy in the Lord is often most realized when the pressures of this world squeeze us to the point of pain. We should stop looking for joy in temporary things, but invest it in gaining a better relationship with our Savior Himself. Only in Him can we find joy. I'd like to read a small passage from the Bible.
What's he talking about? What's the subject of?
Joy.
Oh, joy. So we'll edit this out.
Truly, truly, I say unto you, you will weep and lament, but the world will rejoice. You will be sorrowful, but your sorrow will turn into joy. When a woman has given birth, she has sorrowed because her hour has come, but when she has delivered the baby, she no longer remembers the anguish for the joy that a human being has been born into the world. So also you have sorrowed in life, but I will see you again, and the house will rejoice, and no one will take your joy from you. What a powerful statement. It uses the picture of childbirth to show us that no matter what we go through, we are guaranteed joy and happiness. Be prepared so that the pathway to joy will sometimes require a journey through suffering. So that's what I have today. If you'd like to add.
No, yeah, I think you summed it
Amen.